What's a cat say?
Meow.
That's right. What does a chicken say? Beep, beep, beep.
No, no. Chick says peep, peep. He did it right. Bok, bok, bagok.
What's a chick say?
Beep, beep.
That's right. What does a turkey say?
Blub, blub.
Dum, dum, dum.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Isaac, what does a goat say?
Ma.
What does a sheep say?
Ma.
Very good.
Very good.
What does a frog say? Ribbit. What does a horse say? Neigh.
What's a rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle.
That's right.
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Isaac, what does... What does a dog say? What else does a dog say? Oh, there's your dog.
Hi, Jack. Oh.
Isaac, what does a kitty say? Meow.
Meow.
What does a bear say?
Bear.
Blah. A bear says growl.
Wow.
Bear.
What does a duck say? Wah, wah.
Wah, wah.
What does a goose say? What does a goose say? Honk.
Honk.
What does a bunny say? That's right. He wiggles his nose. Okay, last one. What does a rooster say?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.